Thank you. I want to take you through how to project during the morning prayers. And the first thing you do when you wake up, you just directly open your Google meeting. And how you do that is by clicking on your browser or Google Chrome, or you can just join through your WhatsApp. You can just copy the link from WhatsApp and paste it to your Google Chrome. And then when you do that, you can just, when you open your Google Chrome browser, you can just maximize on that, and then you can choose the account you want to join with. Let me use my account, James Mungai, and then it will take you to a new tab. Now in the new tab, you can choose to paste your link here. Yes, that is the best option. Don't paste the whole message of the WhatsApp, only the link. When you paste the whole message, it will not open, so you only paste the link itself. So because I had already opened a Google Meet in the morning, I just go to my history page, and then I will just open on my history, that is Meet. You can see it there, and it will immediately take me to the meeting. It is getting ready to join there. So immediately you see a page like this, you can just mute your camera and you mute your microphone. Then immediately you can say join, and it will take you directly to the meeting, and you can see the meeting there. When it has a place for the microphone, a place for the camera, a place for sharing your screen, a place for reaction, that is the emojis you want to send. Yes, a place for captions, when you want to raise your hand, and many other features like that. So when you have opened your meeting there, sharing your Videopsalm projection or the projection software, you use the press there for share screen. So when you press there, you take you to a place where there is Chrome tab, window, or entire screen. So for us, we usually use the Windows, but right now, because we have not yet opened the Videosum software, there is no place for Videosum there. You see, it is not there. The only thing we have opened, it is our recording toolbar. As you can see it is already there. And the other thing we have opened, it is our Chrome meeting. It is already there. That's why they are showing here. So you can just cancel there, and I want us to go and open the Videosum software. So you minimize on the Chrome, then you can just open on your Videosum software for projection. It always takes some few minutes to open up. Yes, few minutes it will open up. It has just wait for it to open up there. Yes, immediately our software has opened up. It has two places here. When you check here, there are place for songbooks, that is where we project our lyrics, and Bibles, that is where we project our Bibles. And on the other end, let's say we have there is Genesis 1:1 here. It is showing chapter 1 and all the verses here. Yes, so when you click or when you select another verse, that is Psalms, you see where you can select your verse. It is right here where it is written reference. Yes, select verses by their reference. Immediately below songbook, right here, this is where you select your verse from, or the book from. So when you press your cursor here and you select there, let's say that I want to project Psalms 23 verses 1. So you just press Psalms. It is already abbreviated. As you can see here, everything is abbreviated. So whatever is abbreviated here, that is what you will put at this search box, because when you put another thing it might project something else. That is what I mean is, let us say when you want to project First Chronicles, and you see they are in very the same, they are the same with First Corinthians. So when you want to project First Chronicles, you have to write 1, then ch 1 1. It will project First Chronicles 1 1. When you do a mistake of projecting First Chronicles and you write 1 co 1 1, it will project First Corinthians 1 1. So whatever it is abbreviated here down here, that is what you project. So let us say I want to project John. John here it is JN. That is JN 1 verses 12. Yes, but as many as received him, to them he gave them the right to become children of God. So you see, it has already projected in our preview screen. Now I want, this is what we project. This preview screen is what we extend to our Google meeting. And how you do that, it is by presenting, or when you come at your right side, when you check at your right side, there is a place here with many icons for camera, for a down arrow. Yes, there's another one there for which has a right and a dark place. There's another one there which looks like a page with written words, a shield, a snow freeze, and a screen. Now we use this one which looks like a screen, and when you hover your cursor above it, it has a dialog box written present or control P. So that is what you press, and then your entire verse or that preview screen will now be filled on your laptop, on the screen of your laptop, because there is not another extended screen outside, but this is what we want to use in our Google meeting. So when you project that, now because you want to go back to your meeting, and you see there is no taskbar here. So what you do now, this one I'm using the keyboard of the laptop. So what you do, you just press on the wrong press, don't release on the Windows button, don't release it, and then you press letter D. Now when you do that, it will minimize that screen, and now you can be able to access the task bar. So when you're able to access the taskbar, you can see the taskbar is here. This is the taskbar. So when you can be able to access the taskbar, you can just hover on your Chrome browser. This is where we are having our meeting. Now earlier we said that we use here the share screen. You can just press the share screen, and then you can just go here on Windows. Yes, when you press on Windows, you can see something else is added here, and that is the preview screen. When you press on it, it will open up that share option, and you can just share. When you share, you wait for few seconds, and it will show on your Google Meet. On your Google Meet, you see something blurry like a blur screen, so you just press on show my screen anyway. So that is what you do, and then after that, you can just press on hide there. You can be able to see those buttons. Now when you do that, when you have projected that, everybody who has joined now the meeting will be able to see that those projections of Bible verse or lyrics or whatever you are projecting. Yes, now for you to go back to our Videopsalm software, you just press again the Windows button. You long press, don't release, and then you press letter D, and then it will just minimize everything. But it has already it only minimizes on your laptop. It does not minimize on the other users or the others who have joined the Google Meet. So you can just access your Videopsalm there. You see when you hover your cursor over the Videopsalm, just hovering, don't press it, just hovering over the Videopsalm software, it will have two lists. That is, first one is written agenda and the other one is video projector. Don't press the video projector, you press the empty agenda or the other one. When you project the other one, now you can be able to change your verses, and at the same time whatever you are changing, it is projecting to your Google Meet. You see the projection are still continuing. That button is gray. When it is gray, just know it is projecting. Let us say you want to change to first John, so you press 1, then John, you said it is abbreviated to JN. When you check your abbreviation for first John there, you can see it there, 1JN. Then you want to project first John chapter 3 and then verse 8. So you see when you project, you press or you type 1 John 1JN chapter 3, then space 8, you press enter. You see there, it will project on your preview screen and also on the others who have joined the Google Meet. So that is how you do it. Thank you. Sorry, and then another thing, when you want to go back to your meeting, you just press the Windows button, then letter D, and you can just go back to your meeting. Yes, like that. Then there's something, when you want to see the list after the end of the meeting, there is that list, attendance list. You just go here with the boxes, with the box with 9 dots. Are they 9? Yes, 9 dots. That is meeting tools. When you press on it, it will have a place for tools and adds ons. You press the adds ons, then you scroll down. There is a place here for meet attendance tracker. When you press on it, it will load whatever has been going on or whoever have joined the meeting. So you can just sign in with the account you had joined earlier for the Google Meet. Then it will take you to another dialog box like this. Choose an account to continue to meet attendance tracker. So you can just use your account, and then when you use your account, it will just wait for it for a few minutes. It will start loading here, saying fetching your meetings. Hold on, generating your attendance report. Right now it is generating the report, the attendance list, and it will just take you to another dialog box like this. Welcome James, or whoever had joined the meeting, or whatever account you had used, your ongoing meeting attendance report. Then you view report. After viewing the report, you press that viewing report. It will take you to a place like this one. Wait for it to load, and then all the participants who have joined the meeting, their list will show up here. But since I was the only one in the meeting when I was doing this recording, it is only showing my name. And after that, if you want to export the report, you can just come here. You can see this place, export report. You can just press on it. Do you want to export it PDF or CSV? You just press PDF, and then you can just name your meeting. So PDF name, if you want to name it, you can just delete that first, or those letters there first, and you can just name it. Let us to say today is on Wednesday. It is on morning prayers. Yes, you can see the date is already there, and then you can just choose not to highlight participant. You can just press no, or if you want to highlight them, whatever you want to choose, and then you can download now. Then your report will be available. You can just go to your where your download items goes, the folder they are saved, or you can just immediately open it to send it to the pastors group. And then after that, you are done with the meeting. You can just go back to your meeting, and then you can stop recording. You can just first close the ads on there. You can just press stop recording, stop presenting, sorry, stop presenting, and it will stop presenting. And if you want to exit or to leave the call, you can just press on that button there, leave the call. Just leave the call. If you want to add the code for everyone, you can just press there, but I want us to just leave the call. I just leave the and it is done. Yes, that is how you project. Yes, thank you.